Hello students, welcome to Exam Vidya Academy. Today is 8th July 2021. In this video, we will discuss about the MCQs of the current affair of 8th July 2021. This video is very informative and helpful for you for cracking any competitive exams. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Near Earth Object Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer (NEOWISE) is a telescope which was recently given a 2-year mission extension. Belongs to which country? Options are given here. What is the correct option? The correct option is NASA. OFAC-16 is an electro-optical reconnaissance satellite or a spy satellite is part of OFAC family designed and built by which country's aerospace? Options are Qatar, UAE, Israel, Iraq. The correct option is Israel. Which metro launches India's first UPI-based cashless parking at Kashmiri Gate metro station? The answer is Delhi. The new Made in India app, alignment app under the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign that aims to take on Facebook, WhatsApp, launched by M. Venkaiah Naidu. Which state has been declared as a first ever state in India having LPG connections in all the households? Options are Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu. The correct option is Himachal Pradesh. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray launched which portal to recruit the semi-skilled, skilled and unskilled employees of the state? These portals are very important for exam perspective. The correct option is MahaJobs portal. Who has been appointed as a chairman of the International Financial Services Centers Authority by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet? The answer is Injeti Srinivas. Union Minister for Fisheries and Animal Husbandry Giriraj Singh launched which online course mobile app for fish farmers? Options are Triveni, Manu, Meen Setu, Matsya Setu. The correct option is Matsya Setu. Philippine scientists warned about which volcano to the south of Manila could erupt again anytime soon as toxic gas emission hit the record high. What is the correct option? The correct option is Tal. Legendary actor Dilip Kumar passes away. Iconic actor Dilip Kumar breathed his last on 7th July 2021 morning at the Hinduja Hospital. He was famous in Hindi cinema as Tragedy King. He was famous as Tragedy King in Hindi cinema. Indian Railways, in collaboration with Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, has commissioned a project of 1.7 MWP solar power plant in Madhya Pradesh as Which place? Veena. Who is the author of the book Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver? The answer is Urjit Patel. Karnataka has launched the scheme Weavers Samman Yojana to provide annual financial aid to how much rupees to handloom weavers? Options are 2000, 3000, 5000, 6000. The correct option is 2000. On which day the World Chocolate Day is celebrated every year? The answer is 7th July. Which state launched Balram Yojana, an agricultural credit scheme to provide loan to landless farmers who are facing hardships due to the coronavirus outbreak? Options are Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. The correct option is Odisha. Asiatic Moon is a container ship sailing under the flag of which country? Options are Bangladesh, Singapore, Germany, India. The correct option is Singapore. Please like, share and subscribe to motivate me for making more such videos.